The Mapache adjustable stepper features a sleek black and red design that looks great in any home gym setup. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces, and the lightweight build ensures easy portability. You can use it in your living room, bedroom, or even take it to the office. One of the standout features of this stepper is its 3 height adjustments. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, you can customize the height to match your workout intensity. The adjustable height also allows you to target different muscle groups, making your workouts more effective. The stepper has a max weight capacity of 250 kilos, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The sturdy construction ensures stability and safety during use, so you can focus on your workout without any worries. The non-slip pedals provide a secure grip even during intense sessions. Using the Mapache adjustable stepper is simple and intuitive. Just step on the pedals and start moving. The stepper provides a low-impact cardio workout that's easy on the joints but effective for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. It's perfect for aerobic step workouts and even strength training exercises. Another great feature is the built-in resistance bands. These bands add an extra layer of challenge to your workouts, helping you build strength and tone muscles. You can use the bands for upper body exercises like bicep curls and shoulder presses, or incorporate them into your stepping routine for a full body workout. The stepper is also easy to assemble and comes with clear instructions. It's ready to use in no time, so you can start your fitness journey right away. When not in use, you can easily store it under a bed or in a closet thanks to its compact design. In terms of performance, the Mapache adjustable stepper delivers a smooth and quiet workout experience. The pedals move smoothly, and the adjustable height allows for a wide range of motion. Whether you're looking to lose weight,